When most people start designing a home, they focus on rooms, the kitchen, the living room, the primary suite. But great home design starts with something much bigger, one simple idea. Designing a custom home can feel overwhelming. There are countless decisions to make, from the layout and materials to the way the spaces connect and function. At AV Architects and Builders, every custom home begins with a party, the central idea that helps guide every decision that follows. It's what helps transform a collection of rooms into a home that feels intentional, cohesive, and aligned with the way you want to live. What is a party? A party is the central idea behind a home's design. It's the concept that answers the question, what is this home really about? Usually expressed through a simple sketch or diagram, the party helps determine how spaces connect, how movement flows through the home, how natural light is experienced, and how the home responds to the site. It's not yet about style, it's about intention. Once that big idea is established, the rest of the design begins to fall into place. Why does a party matter? Without a guiding concept, a home can start to feel disconnected. Individual rooms may look great on their own, but they don't necessarily work together. A strong party helps create better flow, clearer design decisions, more purposeful spaces, and a cohesive experience throughout the home. Instead of becoming a collection of features, the home becomes a complete story. Think of it like a recipe. One of the easiest ways to understand a party is to think about making a sandwich. You can have great ingredients like artisan bread, premium cheese, and fresh vegetables, but without a recipe or clear direction, those ingredients don't necessarily come together. The party is the recipe. It doesn't determine every detail, but it provides the framework that guides all the decisions that follow. The same is true in home design. Different types of parties. Not every home begins with the same idea. Different lifestyles, properties, and priorities call for different approaches. Some common examples include: Number 1. Linear parties. Spaces are organized along a single path. This works especially well for narrow lots or homes focused on a particular view. Number 2. Radial parties. Rooms extend outward from a central gathering space. These layouts often work well for families or those who love entertaining. Number 3. Grid parties. Spaces follow a structured pattern. This approach is often associated with modern homes that emphasize balance and clarity. Number 4. Clustered parties. Groups of rooms are organized into separate zones. This can be effective for multi-generational living or homes that require distinct private and public areas. Number 5. Freeform parties. These designs respond more organically to the site, views, or specific lifestyle goals. They are often shaped by the land itself. How a party shapes the entire home. The most successful homes don't begin with a floor plan. They begin with understanding how you want to live, how you move through a home, what views matter most, and how the property should be experienced. From there, the party becomes the foundation that guides the design process. Every decision can then be measured against that original idea. A party may be one of the most important parts of home design that most homeowners have never heard of, but it's often the difference between a home that simply looks good and one that feels completely intentional. Because great homes don't begin with just rooms, they begin with a clear idea. If you're thinking about designing a custom home and want to understand how the design process begins, we would love to talk with you. You can reach us through our contact page in the description below. For more insight into custom home design, planning, and vacation style living, visit our Learning Center. And if this video was helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected with more from the residential architects. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!